In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Utorrent on PC or laptop. We'll move through the process step by step, and I will point out a few things to watch for so you can install it confidently and avoid extra software you don't need. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox use. Whichever you are comfortable with. Head to the official Utorrent website. Sticking to the official site helps ensure you get the legitimate installer without any modifications. On the website, look for the Utorrent Classic section. This is the standard, free desktop version that runs as a regular Windows application. It's different from web-based options you might see, so make sure you are choosing Classic if you want the traditional experience. Click the free download button. Your browser will start downloading the installer. When the download is complete, find the file. It's typically named something like Utorrent exe. You can click it directly from your browser's download bar. Or open your downloads folder and double-click it there. If a user account control prompt appears asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is a normal Windows security check for installers. The setup wizard will open. Click Next to begin, then review and accept the license terms by clicking Agree. As you continue, take your time with each screen. During installation, you may be offered additional software things, like trial antivirus tools or alternate web browsers. These are optional and unrelated to Utorrent. If you don't want them, click Decline or uncheck any boxes. So only Utorrent gets installed. Proceed by clicking Next through the remaining preferences. You may see options like creating a desktop shortcut or adding a start menu entry. Choose what works best for you. These don't change how Utorrent functions. They just affect where shortcuts appear. When everything looks good, click Finish to complete the setup. Once the installation wraps up, Utorrent will launch automatically. You should see the main window open, confirming that everything installed correctly. From here, you can explore the settings later if you like things like where downloads are saved or whether the app starts with Windows. But the core installation is complete. That's it. Thanks for watching.